18 states, meanwhile, are raising the minimum wage in the new year. And we're already seeing, unfortunately, some of the fallout that economists and business leaders kept predicting and warned everyone about. For people that bust tables at the burger chain Red Robin, those minimum wage hikes are backfiring for them. Jerry Willis is live in the newsroom to explain. Hi, Jerry.
Hey, that's right, Trish. So that 5 for 15, wow, coming back to bite a lot of people, especially those working at the Red Robin. A deluge of minimum wage hikes across the country have motivated the burger restaurant company Red Robin to fire busboys and busgirls at 570 restaurants, which will save them $8 million a year. That, according to the chain. Trish, the smartest thing that I've heard on this topic came from Andy Puzder at CKE Restaurants, where he is CEO. He said, you know what? Robots make $0 per hour.